Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on managing your blocked list and unblocking people on Threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile, tap the globe icon in the top left. Tap Blocked from the menu that appears. Here is a list of all the accounts you have blocked on Threads and Instagram. You can unblock an account by tapping Unblock to the right of the account. Tap Unblock again on the pop-up. You can tap the plus in the top right corner to add accounts to your blocked list. Search for the account in the search bar, and then tap Block to the right of the account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.